Hello designers. Today I'm in Canva, and today we're going to talk about the text to image app in Canva. I think you have it when you have the free version, and you also have it when you have the paid version. So we're going to look for it today. I'm right now in Canva. I sign in. If you don't have a Canva account, sign up for a free account on canva.com. Okay, I'll go in here. Okay, I'm here. And here you see apps. When you do all your things here, you see here apps. You click on app, and then you have all the trending apps and everything down here. Okay, you see all of them here. And today we're going to use this one, text to image. Go to apps and you find it. So I'm gonna select it, and I'm going to, let me see here, use a new design. I'm gonna click create a design. Let's say inch, let's say 12 by 12, and we go in with all 12 by 12 here, and then you have it here, text to image. You see it's open for you, but you can also find it here on the apps. When you click under here, you will find it. You see all the apps. You scroll down, this is it, text to image. Okay, let's see what we can get out of this. Okay, here you can put your words in here. Here are some examples, and here are the styles that you can choose, like concept art, photo, painting, pattern, 3D images, and drawing. Let's continue. Aspect ratio, like square, like I have here 12 by 12, it will fit right. Landscape and portrait, so you can choose which orientation you want to use on your image, not your paper, your image. The paper, we designed the paper already outside there, and here is for the image. And after you put in your words here, you select which style you want, and you select your orientation, and then you create image. So let's try something. Let's go for the first one, concept art. Let's say here I want a dog running in a grass field. Close up. I just put something in. Let's say a cute dog running in a grass field. I'll choose concept art, this one. Yeah, concept art, and I want it in this. Create image, and we will get 4 images. Okay, you see them here, the 4 images. As long as you select an image, you click on it, it will be uploaded into your uploads. Okay, into your place where you upload your file. Look, when I click on this one, you see it start uploading. You see it start coming into your files. You see it here. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, you see it uploading right there. Images that you clicked on, that you choose, they will stay with you. So this is our first one. I'm going to put it as a background. You see, that's nice. You can choose all of them however you want. Okay, I'll go to the next. We're gonna start over, and then we're going to use photo. Let's say a beautiful lady with a baby boy. Let's say a baby boy, smiling. I'll put hyper detail because I don't want pieces missing. Hyper detail, I want it a little bit shiny, like shine. I'll put 8K, like this is for the shine, just like your faucet, you know, your faucet, how it shines with silver. The shining is also for images. That's what I learned. 8K. Let me see. Curly hair. Okay, that's simple. And I'll have it on photo, And then now my aspect ratio, I'll keep it on here and I'll create an image. It's working now. I asked for a baby boy. I said I asked for a baby boy. Look what I got, a baby girl. Oh, these people are funny. It's like we're apart from this new technology, we're so with you so pleased. Okay, let's see this. I asked for a baby boy. The mom is beautiful. And I got a baby girl. Let me see this one. Okay. They need improvement. Okay. I asked for a baby boy. Okay, let's start over. And let's go to the painting one fast. A parrot. Let's say a parrot. I'll just say parrot. Painting. I want a painting of a parrot. And I click it. Ooh. A painting of a parrot. That's nice. You can remove the background too if you have Canva Pro. Oh, I love it. This one, his head is cut off, so I don't think I can use it. This one, let's see. When we remove the background, really quick. Let's remove the background. You see how beautiful it is? You can use it for other stuff. Wow. See when you remove the background. Apply it, and the background is removed. And then we're going to refresh it. Wow, it's more beautiful. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to here. Yeah, we were here. Click on it. Yeah, we are still in here. Okay, let's start over. This is the painting. And then you have the drawing. Let's go here. Drawing a smiling baby boy. Maybe we'll get a boy this time. A smiling baby boy. Drawing. I'll put drawing. Drawing, black and white. I'll put hyper. Detailed. Maybe I shouldn't put it, but I'll put it for this. And I want it in a drawing, and I'll select it. Let's see what we will get. Get on the background. Ooh, it came out nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very detailed. Let's go here. A coloring page. Let's see. Of African American baby girl, comma, black and white. Let's see now. Outlined. Let's go back here and click on this. Let's see what we will get. I think with Canva, with the text to image, you have a certain amount you can use in a day. This one, they are cute. This one would be cuter if the pencils were not here. But they are cute. A cute coloring page. I love it. Very cute. So you need to go and play with it and see what you can get out of it. Okay, and 3D, let's see the 3D. A cute brown skin baby girl with afro curly hair. Afro curly ponytails. 3D. We're going to use this again. Let's see what we have. She still looks like a doll. Let's see this one. Let's go closer. 3D. This one is cute. I love this one. Yeah. So this is what you get. Like this one, you see that? Okay. Let's go to another one, another page. Let's do it fast and fast. Okay, the pattern. You're gonna do a pattern. Let's see if it will. I hope it will be repetitive. Pink rose. This pink rose is baby blue black background. Repetitive pattern. Let's see if it will work. Repetitive pattern, and we're gonna click on pattern, create our image. This time, we got roses, but I do not know if they are repetitive. This pattern, they don't look repetitive. This one looks a little bit. Let's try it. Like I told you, our paper is 12 by 12. Let's see really quick if this thing is repetitive. Let's bring it to 4. Okay, 4. I'll place it here. I'll duplicate it and I'll put it aside. Oh, it looks kind of repetitive. Let's go in and see. Oh yeah, this one is repetitive. You don't know what you can do with these things. Okay, well, this line, I don't know how to work this line away, but this one for sure is repetitive. Let's try the other ones. You see what I mean? It's repetitive. I love that. You see here? Let's see the other one. Let's see this one. It should be here. Let's check it really quick. Let's go in. We're looking for repetition. This one is surely not. It's not. It's not. I don't think it is. You see, it missed it really bad. Okay, this one, I don't think this one is either. And the quality, I don't like the quality. I don't know if it's my computer, but let's see this one. Nah, not repetitive at all. No, not repetitive at all. You see, it could be here, but it missed here. So this is what I wanted to show you, that you can use Canva to create AI too. Let's see which one worked for us. The coloring page, if you work on your prompts, like the wording you put in, you can get out cute coloring pages for your kids. You can even create a book. The painting is also beautiful. I'm not so sure about some prompts. Like this, I asked for a baby boy, you gave me a baby girl. And this one, this is the second one. This is photo. You can get better photos than this. I'm telling you, I got better photos than this. And concept art. This is beautiful. Very beautiful for kids cards and all those things. Let me do this one again. Let's say we are not gonna make it complicated for the software. Just some random stuff. A beautiful, pardon my kids on the background, they have spring break. A beautiful, let's say, brown skin lady with wavy hair. I don't know what they know of wavy hair. Wavy hair, comma, gold jewelries, comma, smiling. She's beautiful. Who she is? She has wavy hair. She has jewelry on. And what she's doing, she's smiling. And I'm gonna put the 8K again. 8K. Some people put until 16K, 64K. K, not cake. I'll put 16K this time. Let me see how good this thing will do. I'll put hyper detail also. Hyper detailed. I love the hyper detailed. Yeah, let's go for this. I was smiling. Let's say polka dot polka dot shirt. Okay. What color? Polka dot shirt, red. Okay, let's go. Photo and create image. Oh, we have some beautiful ladies all over here. Wow. Let's see this first one. And let's make her bigger. And let's go in. She has polka dot on. Okay. Let's put another page. Let's go back. I'll go down here and I'll add this one. Let's go in. She's beautiful. She has curly hair. Put another one. Oh, she's beautiful too. These images, you can surely use them for something. You can surely use them. And this one, yep. She's beautiful. She has white teeth. Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. So go and try it and test it out. Check your prompts and all that, and you will see that you will get some cute things out of this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll link here or in the description below. I'll show you when you have images, AI images, how to upscale them so that you can sell them to customers on Etsy or on your own website. Thank you so much, and I'll see you.